nitiere e county ma Homa Bay. Erokamano inya Alia Beach. Kopogore gi mano, jagoro maduong' mar riwruog jotij kotu Mano Francis Atwoli oyie gi chenro mar osuru mar piny owacho madwaro ni jotich duto ogol atamalo 3 mar osach gi ne agulu mar gero ute piny owacho. Chenro makata makamano to okwedi kuom moko kuom jotije mayuak ni piny owacho dwa ng'ado osach gi ka ok omedo gi wi osara go monde. Atwoli wacho ni chenro ni geto neno ni jopiny oyudo udi manengo ni oyueyo kod neno ni jotich bende okano omenda mamoko mabiro konyogi e kinde mabiro.
One of the things he said, 3% is just like saving. Your employer will also put on 3%. It will attract government's interest. Yes. The government has put in more than 5 billion to supplement on that 3%. It will assist in development of housing. And eventually, if you want your money, you will get it with interest. Together with what your employer would have added on that money. So in total, it will be 6% plus interest with maximum of 2,500. So for us who are unionized, that is not a big deal. So with us, we have money. We are increasing our members' money. If you are from a trade union, if you are not from a trade union, shauri yako. Because they are the people who pay for this electricity, people who pay for everything here. So when you say 3%, when the salaries have not been increased, to who?